Hello, good morning, students. How are you? How was your test? Okay, now let us start a poem My Mother at 66. The poet Kamala Das was born in Malabar, Kerala in 1934. She is a versatile face. She published many novels and short stories. She is a sensitive writer. My mother at 66 is an example of her creation. So, before going through the poem, I would like to ask, aging, have you ever thought of yours? You were a very small child, then you just see towards your parents, then you see just towards your grandparents. You can see how a small child grows and becomes old. So, aging is a natural process and no one can stop it. So, have you ever thought of our elders, what they expect from us? So, let us start the poem. Driving from my parents' home to coaching last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. So, while driving from her parents' home to Cochin International Airport, Kamala Das notices her mother who was sitting beside her. Those open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse and released with pain. Doze means a short light sleep. Opened mouth, mouth was open. Her face ashen like that. Ashen means very pale face, like ash, of a corpse. Corpse means dead body. And released with pain. It was with pain that she was as old as she looked. She was looking very old, but soon put that thought away. Means the poet put her thought away. Her mother's face was pale like a dead body. The expression on her face was clearly one of pain, born out of fear of separation and old age. A sudden fear and pain crops up in the poet's mind, and she realizes that her mother is old now. So, that she was as old as she looked, but put that thought away and looked out a young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling. Sprinting means shooting out of ground, and spilling means to move out in great numbers. So, a sudden fear and pain crop out in the poet's mind, and she realizes that her mother is old now and could pass away leaving her alone. She is having fear in her mind that her mother could pass away at any time. Though the realization was alarming, it was hard to accept. It was very difficult to accept that her mother could pass away at any time. These sprinting, the merry children spilling out of our homes, but after the airport's security check. So, this way she was thinking on the way, and she reached at airport, and after security checkup in the airport, she was standing a few yards away. She was just few yards away. I looked again at her. One pale. One means unnatural distress in her face. as a late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache, my child's fear. So, in order to drive her thoughts away from the agony and pain on looking at her mother's colorless face, Kamala Das looks out the car. The trees racing past and the speeding car were grim reminders that time has flown by. The joyous children playing outside, representing the youth, energy and life. All this probably reminded her of her childhood when her mother was young. So, seeing the children, the youth stage reminded her. And after the secret check at the airport, Kamala Das looked back at her mother, standing a few yards away, looking pale and grey like the winter moon. Her face was looking grey and pale. Means she was very weak and she was having distress. The poet senses a familiar pain and her childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother comes back. So, familiar ache, my childhood's fear, but all I said was, see you soon. So, thinking all these things, keeping all these things in her mind, inside her mind, she said, bye. She said, see you soon, Amma. All I did was smile and smile and smile. Only the poet senses a familiar pain and her childhood fear of the thought of losing her mother's comeback. Overcome with sorrow and fear, she bids her old mother goodbye and keeps smiling to hide her real feelings. So, dear children, please go through this poem line by line. Then tomorrow we will discuss and summarize it. Thank you very much.